What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video we're going to show you guys how to use the Keplr Wallet browser or the Keplr Wallet extension. So a lot of people have been asking about this, and the reason why we're going over it is because I'm super bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem, and it's an interoperable network that is actually fully functioning and live. They have some very powerful crypto asset names out there. Just to name a few, we got Akash, we got Kava, Secret Network, obviously Cosmos. You got Terra Luna. You got Thorchain. Those are just a few of them. I mean, I'm sure you guys recognize Binance or even Crypto.com. And you're like, what, the pants? Crypto.com and Binance are on this? Yeah, they are. They're built on Tendermint. Tendermint is how the Cosmos ecosystem is built. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to use the Keplr browser extension. We're going to go a full step-by-step guide. This is for complete beginners. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things for me. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. That way you guys are notified every time I make a new one. And yes, guys, when you do those things, you'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. All right, guys, let's go and get into it. Let's do it. All right, so first we get the prompt that says, please install the Keplr browser extension. Okay, sure, whatever. I'm saying it so wrong, guys, so don't get mad at me. I just say stuff weird because I don't say it right. So we're going to go ahead and download the browser. So we go to extensions and we hit manage extensions. And we're going to hit KEPLR. And it's going to say no search found. Oh, yeah, I bet so. So we're going to go to the App Store. So we're going to the Chrome Web Store now, and we're going to do KEPLR, Keplr, and boom, here it is. Add to Chrome, 3, 2, 1, add extension, and 3, 2, 1, we in. All right, so now we did all that junk. We got our extension. Now we are going to check out our wallet and go ahead and set it up. You click it by hitting in the link, and we're going to say create a new account. Never do sign in with Google. This is trash, guys. If you ever sign in with Google, you're as strong as your weakest link. If your Google account gets shut down, well, you're roasted because you ain't logging in. Yet, I still don't understand why some banks let people sign in with Google. How the pants does that work? Well, you log in with Google. Now Google has access to all your banking information. So, sure, yeah, I guess Google owns everyone's money. So we're going to hit create a new account. And it gives us our seed phrase. So we are going to copy this. Guys, just go ahead and take this seed phrase. You can have all the money in this wallet. All right, so we're going to make up a password. I don't know. Let's just make up whatever. We're going to call this Bruce because Bruce auto-populates. And let's check out the advanced. I don't know what the advanced are. Oh, yeah, don't worry about the advanced. So, yeah, what was our stuff? Daggone it, I forgot it. So you can also choose the 24 seed phrase if you guys want to do that. 12 seed, 24, they're same. They aren't same difference, different same, but if you want to be more secure, go with the 24 seed phrase. I'm just doing the 12 just so we can get this quickly set up, guys. Ah, man, I see a bunch of people have been getting some Kava. This used to only be like 165%. Yeah, only. But anyways. All right, so we installed the browser extension. Now let's show you a couple of unique features about this. So they have IBC installed on here. This is pretty fire sauce. This actually allows you to take your token straight from Cosmos, from Kava, Akash, so many different networks. It's up to you. I mean, let me just show you. Guys, these are all different networks. So you know how you have like Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, all on that Ethereum address? Well, those are all technically under smart chain addresses or like Ethereum based addresses. These are all entirely different. So like Cosmos, Osmosis, Secret Network, they're all entirely different ecosystems. So they're pretty fire sauce. So if you ever want to like transfer different tokens, like if you have some Osmosis tokens, you can transfer them over to here. This is your address. You'll always just copy and paste this into any exchange where you buy it on. However, you can't buy Osmosis tokens outside of the Cosmos ecosystem. So you're either going to have to get some Cosmos, Secret, Akash, Crypto.org, or even some Certec, and you're going to have to bring them on over here. So once you get all that set up, it's already set up for you. All you got to do is set up your wallet. You can actually come straight over to Keplr. So we're going to go over to Keplr now, and we are going to connect on Osmosis because Osmosis is fire. So we're going to go straight to their website. So this is on the Osmosis website. If you guys did not claim this airdrop, make sure you check out check out my videos on how it was done, what it was doing, and we're going to link out the wallet. And this is an easy way to see all of your assets and to easily deposit, withdraw, etc. straight through this ecosystem in a neat interface. Or you can do it directly on this little extension right here. That's entirely up to you what you want to do. A couple of other things you can do is you can add multiple accounts. So if you want to add another account, you can do that, and you can have it all into one wallet. So it'll add different wallet addresses directly in there. So if you want a junk wallet just for like testing stuff out and a good wallet, you can do that as well. I'm just going to show you guys a couple of things on the ecosystem. You can see Secret Network. This is pretty fire sauce. Secret Network is like one of the privacy things in the Cosmos ecosystem. It actually allows you, or it allows people to know you have tokens, but not know how many tokens you have. So it's so cool. So you can be like private. So in like Ethereum and Bitcoin, I know exactly how many tokens someone has by visiting their wallet address on Etherscan. So I mean, with Secret Network, this hides this. And I've done a couple of videos explaining how that works, but basically in order to show the amount of tokens in your wallet, you have to pay a transaction to see it. And you can see they also have Kava, they got Cyber, Straight Edge. These are ones that are coming on now. They got Regen on here as well. So they got some really cool stuff coming. And guys, I highly recommend you check them out. They even have SiftChain on here. SiftChain, we also got an airdrop on our video as well. If you guys are tuning into the channel, I showed you how to do that. But SiftChain is almost like Thorchain. And the airdrop was pretty good. It ended up being like $1,000 or $800. We just got the Osmosis airdrop, and it was about $1,400 that we received. This was like 4 days ago. So it's awesome. I love Cosmos, guys. I'm very bullish on Cosmos. I'll go ahead and make a full video talking about why I'm so bullish on Cosmos and a couple things I'm going to be doing with it. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video on how to set up the Keplr wallet and how to get the extension installed, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And guys, we'll be making crypto videos to help you guys out. This is the future, in my opinion. But again, not financial advice. Another thing for Keplr that you want to know. So say you're going to transfer your Secret here. You need to transfer it to this address. And same thing with Cosmos. If you want to transfer your Cosmos here, you do this address. You don't just use one address for all your wallets. You have completely separate addresses for all different wallets. If you want to transfer your tokens to another chain, then you need to use the IBC. So if you're bringing Cosmos over here, you first need to deposit Cosmos in here, and then you can send it to Osmosis. And the easiest way to do it, in my opinion, is just going straight to Osmosis on the website and going directly to the Assets tab. If you go on the Assets tab, it allows you to do the IBC withdrawal and deposit directly on the app. And it allows you to hit approve, so it automatically populates your wallet addresses for both of these, so you don't have to do anything. It's really convenient, really easy to use, really good UI. So check it out, guys, and let's leave you guys with a wisdom one-line. All right, guys, Proverbs chapter 23 verses 22. Listen to your father who gave you life, and do not despise your mother when she is old. Dude, that is so true. A lot of people, when your peeps get old, or your parents, you guys are just like, nah, bro, you're wrong. Or, dude, you don't know. It's different this time. No, guys, it's never different. Listen to your mom. Listen to your dad. They are super smart. They're there for a reason. They've been through everything that you've been through, and then some. So listen to them, guys. They got the best wisdom. Thanks for tuning in. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Scott Bott, Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP. PJ. Dogs. Thanks for watching. Alright, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.